Okay, question 4 here. It says Mrs. Brown's electricity account with Valley Power, with some of its entries removed, is shown below. So we've got these here, which obviously we're going to have to fill in now. And what's important, it says here, she pays her electricity by monthly direct debit payments and gets a discount of £8.50. If you look closely down here, direct debit discount, £8.50. It's there, isn't it? And you've got next to it CR, right? That letter CR, those letters CR. Now CR simply stands for credit, okay? That's what CR stands for. And you can see the first two letters there, CR, right? And basically, it's been credited to her account, okay? So that's a good thing, in other words. So when you see CR next to an amount, it means that actually this has been added to her account. All right, so that means that she's got less to pay, right? Because it's been added to her account. She's got a discount, right? So it's as if the company are paying her £8.50 just because she's paying her bills by direct debit. Okay, and direct debit is nice and straightforward because the bank set it up and it goes automatically then from your bank account on a certain day every month, and you don't have to do anything, right? It just gets done automatically. Anyway, let's go to the question. Let's fill in this first blank here, and it says units used. Of course, to get units used, what you're going to need to do is you need to do current meter reading, right? And of course, take away then the previous meter reading. You can see this number's higher because electricity is being used, right? So we just take them away to work out units used. So 5927, take away 3785. So if we do that, we get then 2142. And it's important to check those numbers are the same that I've written in, okay, to make sure we haven't made a mistake. And indeed it comes out to be 2142. So that's how many units have been used. Okay. Then it says price per unit in pence. So 12.5 pence is what each unit cost. Okay. So if each unit is 12.5 pence, I can work out what 2,142 will cost. Okay, by timesing, of course. Each unit times by 12.5. So 2,142 times 12.5, and we get quite a big number out, 26775. Now it would be a bit worrying if we put in 26775, right? If we put in such a large number, of course this is in pence. So remember, we change it back into pounds, right? By dividing by 100. Okay, so if you divide that by 100 on your calculator, you get £267.75. Okay. Then there's this quarterly charge. Now that gets added on to the bill, right? So you need to add that on. Okay, it's a charge that the company makes, and that comes to then £295 and 20 pence. All right. Then there's a VAT, 5% of total charge. So you need to work out 5% of this, right? Of this total charge. So remember, 5% is 0.05 times 295.20. Okay, so. Okay, so 5% times that, and you get out £14.76. Okay, so that's what the VAT is. Okay, and they're all sensible values, aren't they? Then it says balance from previous quarter. Now, this is what actually she owes from the last quarter. Okay, she didn't pay enough last time. All right, she didn't pay enough, and that can sometimes happen. So she still owes this. So what we need then, to get the total to pay, we need to add these three values, right? It's important to add those three values. Let's add them. 295.20, add then £14.76, add then £23.18. So if we add all those three values together, we'll get then what she actually owes. £333.14. Okay? £333.14. So that's what she's got to pay. Now, payments received, it says already. Now, remember now, these are credits. These are already payments that have been made to the account. So you remember we discussed earlier the direct debit discount. The company effectively give her £8.50. They put £8.50 in her account. So that's already been credited. And then look at these. These are the direct debit payments I was talking about. The same day every month, like the 25th. £100 going into her account every month. So that's how much has already been paid. So we need to add this up and then see what's left to pay from our total here. So if I add them up, now that's 300, isn't it? Okay, and then 8, so actually £308.50 that adds up to. So she's already paid, okay, she's already paid £308.50. Okay, now she's got to pay that. All right, so you could see that she hasn't paid enough yet, hasn't she? So in terms of the balance then to carry forward, we need to see how much left she's got to pay. So 333.14, that's her bill. Take away what she's already paid, £308.50, and we're left with £24.64. So that's what she has to take forward with her, right? I shouldn't have put a circle around there maybe, so it's not that clear, but £24.64 is what now will get carried forward to the next bill.